Ever sneezed and thought, wait, am I getting better or worse? Well, you're not alone. Sneezing isn't just annoying, it's your body's natural way of clearing out irritants like dust, allergens, and even viruses. When you're sick, your immune system kicks into high gear, and sneezing helps flush out the bad stuff. But does that mean you're on the road to recovery? It depends. If you're sneezing less and your other symptoms are improving, congrats, you might be getting better. But if sneezing comes with fever, chills, or a sore throat, your body is still fighting that bug. Whether it's allergies, a cold, or the flu, your health matters. Need better health coverage? Call us at 1-833-220-8419 or visit newhealthinsurance.com.